out. Me and Jared are just kind of out. Got a little bite to eat with the store, got a few things. But so after our time at the track, Jared is now he's got his car fully broken in, got almost 1,000 miles on it and stuff, and so he's kind of wanting to start doing some mods, and so he's gonna give you all some options and see what you all think about what his first mod should be. So go ahead.
Okay, so what I'm thinking is I've had problems launching the car. Well, not even so much launching the car as getting traction. The
spin's pretty much anywhere below 40.
8.5 all seasons I have on right now, Pirelli.
P0 traction is what that stands for.
0. And I've looked, and some people commented on our previous video said that they've had problems cutting, like the best 60 foot that they could cut was like a 2.2 with these tires and the 355 gears that I have, which
best
we cut a 2.1. But so yeah, I don't know whether I should go with either tires, drag pack, and keep these for daily, catback system first.
Tell him your options. He's kind of weighing the options right
Force
now.
Extreme or the Roush catback.
So let us know down below what you think about that.
Or intake and tune first. So all these things are going to happen at some point. I just don't know the order in which that I will do these things.
Our thoughts are, if he gets an intake and tune, it's only going to worsen his traction issue. An exhaust is not gonna, it's gonna add maybe 5 horsepower, 10 at the very most.
Sound good though.
But it's gonna sound a lot better, and that's a big deal for us. Jared's old yellow car was so loud. This is like riding in a Prius almost, and it does sound good to be stock, don't get us wrong at all. Like, it's got a good rumble, but it is not loud by any means. Traction on tires, I mean, there's been people in stock 2018s go high 11s, like 1170s on nothing but a drag pack. So kind of leaning towards that or the exhaust right now, I think, but we don't really know. So they have what's called, what do they call them, tuner kits for the 15 through 17s, where you can get a little bit better deal if you order a tune and an intake together, like from American Muscle or something. They don't have those out for the 18s yet, and so maybe if you waited a little longer to do that, maybe that would help. But the car is fast. Don't really pay no attention to the time that we did in the previous video. I mean, from 40 on, this car hauls butt.
I mean, it was running a 13.0, but it was still trapping at 113.
Yeah, so
that's definitely a low 12.
This car trapped higher than my car has ever trapped, or his yellow car has ever trapped. The fastest they've ever trapped is 112 and a half. So that's pretty crazy to come out of the factory and cut a 2.2 60 foot and trap 113 in like 2200 DA. So it's pretty serious. But yeah, so comment down below for sure and let us know what you think, so he can get a good idea
Or
of.
if you have any other suggestions.
Or any other suggestions. Suspension possibly. Maybe you could do like a, what do they call it, that it's BMR, but it's bread and butter.
Yep.
Bread and butter suspension package. Team Lethal will probably hook us up with that for a good deal. But again, guys, we're just trying to put out a little bit of content. It's a nice day out. It did rain a little bit earlier, but it's Kentucky, so it could snow in 10 minutes, and it's sunny for right now, so you don't really ever know.
Yep.
But we're headed back to the house, and we just really kind of just want to see like what everyone thinks. Like, what would you recommend, but also what do you want to see? Like, what content do you want to see? Like, there's tons of videos, like, 30-second clips of a 2018 revving and a 2018 with, of course, exhaust revving. Like, we want to do like more content, like see if it helps, see if it's worth it, stuff like that. See if like a drag pack really is worth it on the stock tune, because it's still going to be limited by the torque management. Are the skis in the front going to help it pick up that much? Is the traction going to be that much better? Is a tune gaining 25 wheel, 30 wheel at the intake or so? Is it make it that much better? These cars are so difficult to tune. We were talking about earlier, because they're maxed out. Like, they're very, very like high strung. Like the GT350 motor, that 5.2 Voodoo is like crazy. Like, they only pick up like with like full bolt on, like long tube E85, big intake and everything. They only pick up like 40 wheel. So that's crazy. So this car is like, they do a little better because they're underrated from the factory to protect the GT350 numbers. But we just kind of want to see. We're just now kind of getting into the 2018 game. 17 cars a month. So obviously these motors respond very well to mods, and we're gonna go from there. But anything else? I think, guys, we're gonna cruise back home here real quick and cut this vlog a little short. That way we don't bore you all to death. But go ahead and subscribe down below, guys. Again, we just passed 3,000 subs, which is awesome. Our next goal is 5,000, 10,000, on from there. But we try to put out good content 3, 4, 5 times a week. And so these are 2 of the members. Wade is at work as usual. That's all he does. But gotta make the money. Just kidding. But again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and hope y'all are having a great day. We'll see you on